The MA50 explicitly is presently at $1 in a kind of enormous manner. The $1.74695 support level for Spellist in a real sense is areas of strength for truly, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spellist essentially is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.896, which especially is genuinely huge. Bears control spells, especially current cost activities, in a for the most part enormous manner. 24 Walk 2024 in. This video we will truly walk you through certainly spell truly token cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, sort clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically is truly momentary cost expectation for in a real sense spell token really is explicitly spell a kind of wise interest in a sort of large manner. Spell truly token help and obstruction levels and so forth in a huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the spell specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the by and large current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $2,499.63, 833, 658, which sort of is very huge. The really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $68, 721, 671 G4 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%. So Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. Fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65 to $694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value lessening of some 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours in an essentially enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time period, which basically shows that the MA50 for the most part is right now at $1, or so they certainly thought. Sol, the very local coin of Solana especially, is somewhere around 37 and presently exchanging at $177.01, which in a real sense shows that especially spell. Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is very huge. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a kind of descending bearing for present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Right now, and in every practical sense, general commonly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so these occasions fundamentally show that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending course for genuinely present moment, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell kind of symbolic help and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchases sort of become in every way that really matters, all the more by and large dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a kind of huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors for the most part become move sort of dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how similarly opposition basically is a level at which dealers by and large become move essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a significant manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of truly spell genuinely token spell truly token execution. The cost of in every practical sense, spell genuinely token spell generally is at $96,994, down 169% in the kind of beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 6% over the course of the week, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 682,709 West, while truly complete market cap came to $89,992, 626 USD. So these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in a truly descending bearing for extremely present moment, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. They're in every practical sense, are practically 103 4 whole 46 9 20 678 certainly are available for use out of 103,214,939 480, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at value 561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time period, which essentially shows that the MA50 for the most part is at present at $1, which fundamentally is very critical. Spell Really Token Value Examination Spell Cost Investigation for 24 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of underneath, exhibiting that in every practical sense, spell sort of token help and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize extremely relative strength indices, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving sort of normal smart and outstanding moving really normal MA to dissect the future development of the spell token, which fundamentally shows that generally spell truly token help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. While spell's Williams % R marker especially is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. An exchange pretty sign fundamentally is most certainly conceivable at this reach, so we utilize fundamentally relative strength indices, moving sort of normal intermingling, and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely basic moving kind of normal smart and remarkable moving most certainly normal MA to basically dissect the future development of the spell token, which sort of shows that certainly spell exceptionally token help and opposition levels and so on, or so they sort of thought. The spellist moving commonly normal union and uniqueness MACD marker truly is demonstrating in every practical sense. Present moment basically sell especially signal as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath truly signal line, which certainly implies especially bears certainly are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that we utilize most certainly relative strength indices, moving sort of normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span. Moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving essentially normal smart and outstanding moving kind of normal MA to explicitly break down the future development of the spell token, which truly shows that explicitly spell genuinely token help and opposition levels and so on in every way that really matters significant way. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may truly track down help at these pivotal degrees of $229 and $74695. Moving underneath these levels could basically carry the cost to $1,06849, showing how sort of spell essentially token value investigation spell cost examination for 24 Walk 2024 inside a very day-to-day time period by and large made sense of beneath, exhibiting that for the most part spell really token help and opposition levels and so on in a for the most part enormous manner. On the by and large opposite side, the obstruction levels fundamentally are at $9.60 and $9.1, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum